us today, kaya lang meron siyang isang meeting pa nakasabay naman. So may board meeting si Sir ngayon sa isang university. Gusto ko rin batiin and magpasalamat sila kila Sir John Francio at kay Ma'am Danielle for coordinating this activity. And I would like to say hi dun sa mga taga-US. They was checking the chat kanina. Marami-rami rin pala ako, kapuso ba tayo, kapamilya? O kapatid? Wala na palang kapamilya masyado. So sa aking mga kapuso, kapatid at kapamilya from the DUST family. Si Ma'am Claire would also probably be joining us maya-maya ng konti. So meron lang po siyang inaasikaso pa daw. So kata-text ko lang sa kanya that we are about to start na. So she'll try to join daw po a bit later. Yan. So again, magandang hapon. Alam ko po marami naman sa inyo ang nakakilala na sa amin. Pero marami rin po ang excited na malaman kung ano yung aming mga programa. Ito naman pong i-share namin sa inyo today. These are national programs that all the regional offices are implementing. So let me share lang po my screen. Yan. So we would usually start our presentations by introducing the whole DOST system. Kasi pag lumalabas kami minsan, parang nagugulat sila, DOST pala yung agency na yan. So as with any other government agency, we are headed by our secretary, si Secretary Fortunato T. de la Peña. And under the secretary is supported by 4 undersecretaries. So yung aming undersecretary, makikita mo na rin kung ano yung functions ng DOST. So meron kami isang undersecretary for research and development. Meron din kami isang undersecretary for S&T services. One undersecretary for disaster risk reduction and climate change. And undersecretary for regional operations. So kaming mga regional offices and provincial science and technology centers, and sa NCR, ang tawag namin sa kanila ay clustered area S&T centers. We are being supervised by the undersecretary for regional operations. Makikita din po natin, of course, may admin support din ng aming mga bosses sa top management. The DOST system, pag titingnan natin siya, we are actually grouped into 4 attached agencies na makikita natin siya. Meron kaming advisory bodies for awards and planning. So kasama po dyan yung advisory for policy directions, hindi lang sa DOST system, but also sa ating mga legislative bodies, sa Congress and sa Senate. So dalawa po yan. We have the National Academy on Science and Technology and the National Research Council of the Philippines. The National Research Council of the Philippines also plans yung mga basic R&D programs ng DOST.